No means no. When a woman says no, it's no. Love mustn't be confused with obsession and lead to fear, anxiety, or depression. Such scenario often causes great sorrow. A woman shouldn't be seen as an object or personal property. She should instead be treated with dignity. When angry, picture your mother, sister, or daughter to help you manage your anger. May your fist be used to protect her and your words to heal her. Do not go around attempting to wound her reputation just because of senseless pride and spirit of competition. Such behavior will not make you be any stronger. A failed relationship doesn't have to be or feel like an incurable disease. May your spirit be at ease. Get rid of any kind of bitterness to leave room for life's sweetness and God's goodness.